Today, we are going to discuss about the entrepreneurship opportunities in India. Okay, so first of all, we know that we are the students, you are the students in engineering colleges. Okay, here in front of you, the big challenges is placement. Okay, so here nowadays, government of India giving big opportunity, you start your startups, entrepreneurship. Okay, they are giving big wide motivation and supporting to the young youngsters. Okay, young and dynamic people like that. Okay, so now today we are discussing about what is the entrepreneurship, what are the opportunities are available. Okay, so to do the or become as an entrepreneur, right? So today we are going to look. This is some outlook. Okay, so what is the entrepreneurship, entrepreneur, and enterprises? Here, what is the research, creativity, innovation, imitations, and what is the manufacture, design, product by, and selling, service provider, and the types of entrepreneurship, and women, especially for women entrepreneurs, because here CSE, so many girl students are there. That's why I added this topic. Here is a women entrepreneurship, right? So first of all, we know the definition of the entrepreneurship. Okay, entrepreneurship is the ability and readiness to develop, organize, and run a business enterprise. Okay, along with any of its uncertainties in order to make a profit. So, what is our objective? To make a profit. This is my ultimate aim. Okay, so while getting the admission time, also your parents definitely asked a few questions. In that question, one question is what about the placement opportunities? Okay, so what is the outcome? What is the outcome after completion your BTech? That is the big questions before joining the degree. So here we start the entrepreneurs is what is our ultimate aim to make a profit. Okay, how? That is for our ability and readiness to develop. Okay, how? What is our contribution towards the develop our enterprise? Okay, and how we can organize. How should organize? Okay, how can I lead? Okay, so like that. Who is the competitor? Okay, what is the market value? Where is the potential area? These all I should have, and I do that for that proper manner the organization, and I develop. Okay, I run a business enterprise. So then only I can able to make a profit. Okay, here what that in this duration some uncertainties, unavoidable some things it will happen. There, what is my decision? What is my okay objective? Okay, so what is my goal? What is my attitude? Everything, okay, it will involve inside the this one. Okay, so what is the meaning is simply we can say this is for the new business. Okay, so if we say is the new business is the entrepreneurs, right? Here you look, so many pictures are there, so many top businessmen. Okay, so Mukesh Ambani, Gautam Adani, Ratan Tata, Shiv Nada, Lakshmi, these are very very big guys. Okay, very big guys. We know that if you turn the newspaper or any news channel, definitely the daily one time they may use the name, okay, for the development of new technologies, what is the innovation, what is the invention about their companies. Okay, so but one thing you look here, what is their age? What is their age? Definitely their age is what happened is a 50 plus. Okay, the 50 plus is their age. Just immediately we have such a doubt. Okay, so my if my age is 50 only, I can able to become as an entrepreneur. Okay, here is in this COVID period. Okay, the gave very big platform to the youngster. Okay, you look here, those who are these people, these are the young guys. Okay, these are the young guys. The ages you look is very very young age. Okay, so I think so your age also almost fall on in this group. Okay, so your age also is like that, is 22, 23 plus or minus 1. Okay, so you look here, one guy is Ritesh Agarwal, his age is 27. Okay, right now he's a founder and CEO of OYO Room. Okay, we know that wherever we go, wherever the city we go, okay, we can see the OYO rooms. Okay, he's a young boy. Okay, so he started in the what that 2 3 years before this war, okay, and now is the entire nations. We know that this word, okay. So he is a very now here what that young entrepreneurs, okay, young entrepreneurs. Same like that here we can see the n number of youngster, okay. So they whatever they started the business within 2 to 3 years, okay. So what happened due to this corona? Okay, so they started so many startups, everything. Here, you look here, Tilak Mehta, his age is 16. Okay, so what happened? He is in based of Mumbai. He used what that Dabawala, I think so, is a very famous in Bombay, Mumbai's areas. Okay, so he used that Dabawala persons to what the shift the courier one place to another place. Okay, he delivered the courier parcel the same day. Okay, so he is one of the founder in that company. He is the founder of the company. Same like that, you can see so many persons. Okay, is those who have started the startup nowadays. They are the entrepreneurs. Okay, so the young Indian entrepreneurs, they got award also. So what shall I do? Okay, what shall I do? So I am also willing to do some business. What shall I do? First, okay, first thing is a research. Okay, so research is a very big potential area. We must enter the research, then creativity, innovation, imitation, and finally you are is the entrepreneur. Okay, so you start the entrepreneurs. Okay, now you look, what is this area? Anybody able to identify this area? Not exactly. This is one photo is there. So many crowds are there. Uh, Anybody possible to able to say this? What is the area? This much people they are. Anybody? First of all, I am inaudible. I am inaudible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody able to say this is what is this?
Some shopping streets, sir.
Yeah, shopping streets, market. Okay, so in the festival time, if you go anywhere, you can see like that, or right bazaar, or some other big streets. If you go there, or Sunday in the what that Charminar, like that, we can see this much of crowd. Okay, so now you just assume you are one of the person in this crowd. Okay, the first time you are entering in this market. So what you are going to buy something. Okay, for example, we take as a vegetable. Okay, so what is your first looking? Okay, so first you are searching the what are the availabilities, how many shops are there in this street. Okay, or shall you buy it? Directly go and purchase one shop. Okay, so first we look all the shops. Okay, then where is the fresh vegetables are there, and we compare some price rate. Then we go for the purchasing. Then only we decide which vendor is very suitable for us. Okay, then we purchase. So first we do some basic research about the vendor. Okay, so whatever as per our needs. Then what happened the next time if I come, again I go the vendor, I purchase the product, then I move to from the this place. So once next time means I believe that particular vendor. Okay, so I'm automatically what happened? I'm purchasing every day there only. Okay, I am the regular customer for the particular vendor. Now you just think the opposite way. You are one of the shopper, okay? You are one of the vendor in this market. How will you attract? How will you attract the particular customer, the new customers, old customers, okay? So here we have to think like that. If I am the vendor, how I can able to attract the new customers, those who are coming the market newly, okay? So first we should think about that one. Then we have to what that uh, research automatically. So here what happened, I had to create something. I have to create something. What is it? There is no doubt that creativity is the most important human research of all. Okay, if I am not doing any creativity, okay, no progress or no changes, okay, in the previous pattern. So that's the reason I want to do some creativity. What type of creativity I do? So I want to impress to the customers, new customer or old customer. I want to impress that one. Okay, so I should know these. Okay, the basic fundamentals. You look here, what is it? I know no need to give any explanation about this. Okay, yeah, right. For that, nowadays is the AR, VR is a very big booming. Okay, so on that. So here the innovations. Okay, I want to implement the new innovations. So after research, okay, I'm proof my what that I'm identify the vendor. Then I'm shown some creativity. Okay, then I'm in what that involved in the innovations. Then only the customers always they are with what that type with me. Right. So next, you look here. This is for some basic ideas. Okay. So umbrella is there, light connections, the arrangement of the umbrella. Okay. So these everything for the what that imitations. We know that this is a very big what the famous actor. After seeing this film, what happened every day? After seeing company what that coming out, they are like that because that imitations. Okay, so 1 or 2 days later we forget. Okay, so we must give the some imitations about our products. Okay, then only it will attract to the customers. Once they will come again, they impress with our locations, our food serving styles, or some other. We go if we go for any restaurant. Okay, so once based on the what that atmosphere, everything only we again we plan to go there. Then finally is the entrepreneurship. Okay, now you look. This is for that. What happened is a EV vehicle. Okay, so whatever the EV vehicle sector is a small car or big car, whatever. Okay, so is a very booming area right now. Okay, so here you think. I think so. Here, all of them is a computer-based students. Okay, so you just think about okay how to improve this one all. Okay, the design wise or some other. Okay, so I'm thinking here, what is the problem? Major problem. Okay, the major problem in the EV vehicle charging point. Okay, here you look. I must what that stay minimum half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, to charge my vehicle. Okay, it's a fast charging nowadays is a half an hour to 1 hour. Okay, otherwise anywhere my room is there, I charge for long. It will take 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours according to the capacity of the vehicle. But nowadays, okay, while entering the track, okay, what is the research now is India is they are taking 500 kilometer distance. Okay, if you take your vehicle is a separate path, okay, automatically we can charge. Okay, we can charge our vehicle while travel without stopping anywhere. Okay, so that trial testing also is going on. Okay, so definitely what happened we can booming our EV. Okay, we can booming our EV. Nowadays last month Maharashtra state, okay, they announced government hereafter using only EV vehicle. Government staffs, okay, they must use for hiring the EV vehicle only if you don't have any EV vehicle. Like that, so many rules and regulations they started each states. Okay, So after a few months, definitely it will go for one by one. Okay, automatically the diesel petrol vehicle is coming down, EV vehicle is going up. Okay, so what happened? Immediately we want some accessories of the all the electronic based everything. Whatever vehicle nowadays, okay, without navigations, okay, so all is the electronics or computer network is very essential. So I can't stay without network. Okay, so if I go anywhere, okay, I'm waiting for bus or car or some other function hall or some other wherever I'm going, the restaurant also, I'm opening my what that I'm browsing, I'm watching video or some other WhatsApp chatting. Okay, I want the internet facilities. So without internet, I can't live. Okay, like that situations nowadays is there. Okay, so what happened now? First, I want to develop my idea. Okay, so first I want to develop my idea. What is my thinking? What is my thinking? Okay, what is my creation? What is my solution about the particular idea? Okay, like that. If I ask one particular problem, what is the solution to use, n number of solution will come. Okay, sir, we can do like this, we can do like this, we can do like this. Okay, which one is very suitable for me based on my environment? That is very important. Okay, so here what happened, you plan to become as an entrepreneur, it's a welcome, but you choose one. Okay, one and only. What is one and only? For example, you are going to become as a manufacturer. Okay, you think that only, don't think about the selling. Okay, or otherwise I am going to is a buyer. Okay, I am going for the dealer, I am going for the seller, retail seller is a wholesale seller. Okay, like that, if you think about your atmosphere, about your financial positions, okay, you think particular one there, what is your idea? Okay, what is your idea? Then develop your business plan. Finally you raise your fundraising and promoting that one, and finally for what, that commencing and harvesting. We know that is a entrepreneur is a person. Okay, so it's proprietor or some other tie up with the partnership. Okay, so many processes are there. Here we have to develop first our idea. Okay, then and that idea, okay, I should for that I'm making a my business plan. Then I'm doing for market demand, customer based competitions, ecology and economic conditions, everything I should analyze. Then, okay, I should come for the what that product or service or cost, sales or expected or forbid, everything. I think about that one. Okay, first I should focus one particular area. In that area I should develop my idea, then I'm going for the business. Okay, here we can raise funds with other agency also. Okay, so NMDC is Hyderabad based on innovation and incubation center. Okay, so if you type, you can search in this your browsing area. Okay, so here they are supporting so many areas. You look AIML, electric vehicle, digital manufacturing, automation navigation, autonomous navigation, quantum computing, okay, and cyber security, blockchain, robotics, 3D printing, industry 4.0, IoT, okay, sensors, chips, so many areas they are supporting funding. Okay, if you are is a good planner, if you become a, say, a good entrepreneur, they are supporting lots. Okay, so you look here, this is for National Development Corporation. Okay, so they are also giving a lot of support to you. Okay, so they are providing the fund. Okay, so you can submit your what that proposal here also. Okay, so they are giving funding support. This is last month. Okay, it's 2021 December month. They closed this one proposal, everything. Okay, so periodically they are giving seed funding support to the new startups. Okay, if you are registered properly in Indian government, you can get the fund supporting also from the but this type of agency. Okay, so here what happened? We know that first we want some idea. Okay, so idea. So based on your family situation, your family background, okay, you start your thinking, and particularly about the manufacturing or product buying or selling. Okay, so or what the service nowadays, very big what the gap is in the service sector only. All of them selling the products, but no one not ready to give the service. Okay, so if you give the service, automatically what happens? The all customers they are searching you. For example, mobile phone is there. I am ready to purchase the mobile phone. After some some days or some any problem in my particular problem in my mobile phone. Okay, so they are not ready to give the solutions. Immediately, what happens? Sir, please change this components. You change this component. You change this component. Okay, so that changing the component also, some of them not up to the genuine. Okay, so where is the service? Okay, the service is not up to the mark right here nowadays. For example, civil is there, civil engineering. If you take the building, okay, so definitely the leakage is there. Okay, so water leakage. So that is a very big problem nowadays. That is maybe is apartment or individual flats. Okay, so whatever. Okay, so definitely the leakage is there. What is the solution? That one that is very important. If you take any field, okay, definitely there such a gap is there. You must identify the gap and do the research and give your creativity mind and add the innovations. Okay, and attract to the people with the help of the imitations. Okay, then is become as a big entrepreneur. Okay, so here we know that is enterprises is a process. Okay, once for starting purchasing one particular product. Okay, then where is available, how to we transfer the goods from there to here, how to store and how to give the publicity. Okay, how to sell the product. Okay, those who are is required for the selling the product, and finally what is our margin or what is our profits. These all process comes under the entrepreneurships. Okay, so enterprises is the outcomes. What is finally what is our outcomes? Okay, here these are the our entrepreneurship process. Okay, so here the different types of entrepreneurships. Okay, so small business. I can start my business. Okay, first you go and register your business anywhere. For example, MSME. Okay, so or some other agency, you go and register yourself. That is cost is 200 rupees, 300 rupees only, not a big. Okay, so you register and get one license and start your business. Whatever the small business or big business, that's not a matter. First of all, you register the business, okay? So such a way, and go and start your business. If your business is more than 20 lakhs, means you can get the GST. Otherwise, up to that one, okay? So right now, not necessary. First, you start it. So here, the different types of entrepreneurship is a small business, large company, and scalable startup, social entrepreneurship, innovative and hustler, imitator, researchers, buyers. Okay, so many types of is there. If you go for partnership, okay, so there we have to one and limited one company type of. Okay, so many types are there. So we know that our India is the biggest population country. Okay, so the second largest population in the world. Up to January 14, 2022, For that, the record it's showing is 140 crore. Okay, 140 crore populations in India. In this 140 crore, okay, so 70 to 80 crore people, okay, so they are earning more than 20,000 rupees per month. You just imagine it. Okay, so they are earning 20,000 and above. What is the range is for the 50%. Okay, the 50 to 55 percentage of people they are earning 20,000 rupees per month. Okay, so here we doing simple one statistics. Okay, here what happened in this one. Okay, we know that India have is a big youngster. Okay, the school college level only for 40 to 45 percentage of youngster is there. Okay, that's the reason here is a booming, very big, important and booming is the education. Okay, so education related apps, education related, for example, Byju's, or this everything nowadays is online. Okay, so they are covering the particular area. Okay, so they are doing what that the education field related to apps. You think you become as a one of the entrepreneurs if you develop your app related to the educations. The next one is the entertainment. We know that, okay, if you search any one youngster mobile, definitely one video game is there. Any one video game based on their okay level, age level, we can identify the for that video game. This is one particular statistics is the Indians are watching video on their cell phone 200 minutes per week. Okay, so 200 minutes per week. If I am waiting for the auto, if I am waiting for bus or I am traveling the bus time, okay, so I'm going and waiting for any conference meeting, okay, anywhere, okay. So, for example, one cab driver is waiting for the passenger or okay, some all persons they are watching the video. Okay, so what that approximately 200 minutes per week they are utilizing the uh, watching videos. So just imagine what is the internet sources. Okay, so utilization of the internet. So about particularly the entertainment. If you able to create the new game, okay, if you able to write a app, okay, create the app related to the entertainment, okay, definitely you can earn. Okay, you can become as a entrepreneur. Okay, so this is one particular and a big area uh, for become as a entrepreneur. Okay, next is the logistics. Logistics is a very big problem right now also. Okay, transfer goods one place to another place. Okay, so now you look, you know that is a semi chips is okay. Due to that chip only, all car manufacturing sectors are lockdown is 3 months. Okay, they stop the manufacturing because of the that materials. Okay, so we can't transfer one place to another place. And in this COVID period also, okay, so many struggle for the oxygen. Okay, what is the problem? We have okay plenty of oxygens in our nation, but we can't transfer one place to another place. Okay, so the logistics is a very big problem that time. Immediately what happened, Indian Railway they converted so many okay tanks and transfer lorry to lorry, lorry to lorry for all the places. They what that they distribute the oxygens to entire states. Okay, so there is a big logistics. Whenever we are facing the problem, then only we are starting for the finding for the solutions. Okay, that type of infrastructure we have to develop. So logistics is a very big area for the giving the solution. Okay, that one. So if you can able to create any particular app, okay, so definitely you can become as a entrepreneur. Okay, next is the food and food service. You first we take food. The population we know that is 140 crores. Okay, so three times food. Always we take with the morning, lunch, and dinner, three times food. Okay, so the poverty people, you if you live it also 100 crore. Okay, we have to give three times food, snacks, all items. Okay, so just imagine how much food we want. Okay, so 140 crore people, different lunch, dinner, tea, snacks, all daily. Okay, so daily we want. Okay, already who gave red alert to the all the countries. Okay, the next few years is very big booming for the shortage of the food. Okay, because of we are wasting so many food. Whatever we preparing the 30% to 40 percentage of food without touching, okay, without touching is going, okay, for the dust. Okay, so just imagine, okay, how much that much of food we are wasting. They are who already gave the red alert to all the countries. Give your more concentration towards the food. What? Okay. So now we come for the food service. Okay, we know that what the Swiggy, Zomato's, they don't have any single hotel or kitchen. Okay, but they are giving service to entire people like that food service. Okay, the food service is very very important. Okay, nowadays I am hesitate to go for the restaurant. If you give the what that good service right to particular area, you no need to think about entire nations. Your particular area, in the area is 1,000 or 2,000 homes are there. There, if you provide this a food service, okay, so that is a big business. Okay, so here we should think about the food service. These are some area. I am saying what that I am giving some example to you. Okay, what are the areas for the we can do our business. Okay, so next is travel and hospitality. Travel and hospitality. So India is the seventh number of what that mm, how to say is good destinations. Okay, that is a good destination in Asia. So, for example, if I'm going for plan to go for Visakhapatnam, okay, so what happened immediately? I want some websites about their detail. What are the places are available? How to I should reach? Okay, so what are the modes are available? What is the cost of living there? Okay, so which time is very suitable to visit the particular place? Okay, so when the temples is open, closed, okay, everything, all information I need. So if you create the website, okay, with the help of some advertisement, okay, you can earn more. If your website is very busy, what that popular, okay, so definitely based on that you can earn more. Okay, so the travel related and the hospitality related to other places, okay, so we can give what that one. And one more is the healthcare. Okay, the healthcare. The COVID time, the Telangana state they given is a big details in the website. Okay, what are the hospitals are available? How many beds are available? How many oxygen beds are available? Okay, where is the beds are vacant? Okay, like that. Okay, so many details. Okay, here you can also create like that. Okay, so healthcare related options. Apart from this, the very big problem is the waste disposal. Okay, the waste disposal. So here in the food, I am saying that what happened is that 30 to 40% of preparation food without touch, okay, is going for the dustbin. Okay, here what happened is same like that. If you use the computer after 5 years, 10 years, it's going for the scrap. Okay, if you purchase the TV or some other electronic goods or whatever utensils and furnitures in your home, okay, after that, even though if you purchased one cool drinks bottle, okay, after consuming that one, it is going for the waste. Okay, so many waste is there. Okay, so the waste management is a very big problem. Okay, in our country. Okay, so if you focus that one, definitely what happen, you have the big opportunity to do the business. Okay, so here big sector is the educations because all children are necessary to start the business. Okay, so for that, all students are necessary to the educations. Then entertainments, no age limit. Okay, so all of them they are and need for the entertainment and logistics is a very big problem one, and food service, travel and hospitality, and healthcare and waste management. These are the very big problems. Okay, we are facing every time. Okay, every what that. It's very really it's very big problems areas. Okay, so first of all we have some doubts. What is the startup? Startup is also one of the business. Okay, startup means is also one of the business, but in this time I don't have any place. Okay, and for example, I want one office. Okay, but I don't need for every time because my business like that. Okay, I'm travel every time. One particular week to one day or 2 days in the month. Okay, I want particular place. There I take is a rental. I tie up with somewhere like that. Okay, so we occupy that particular time. We take is a for example marriage function hall. Function hall is there. Okay, what happened? We are not regularly booking our function hall. Whenever we want, for example, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, once we are doing some family function means we take one function hall. Okay, we book the function hall, we took gathering there and we celebrating the function and again we dispose all those things. Okay, same like that. Okay, so here so many hubs are there. In our college also we have the what the hubs. Okay, so you can occupy there. Okay, through your head of the department, give the letter to me, to us, and we permit to sit there. Okay, nowadays you don't need to pay anything. Okay, but outside they are charging is a normal fee. Okay, and you can develop your business from there. Okay, that is called as the hub. Okay, so founders normally finance their startups. Okay, you with the help of your family support or your neighbors. Okay, some other one. Apart from some venture capitals available, grow funding, seed fundings, loans, so many are there. With the help of them, you can go for the start your startups. Okay, that is a very small business. Then if you know, for that in the future, if you develop the particular level, you can go for separate. You can take one rental place and you can start your one that with the help of the what that register properly and do all those things. Okay, these are the called as the startups. You look here, I show 100 names. Okay, how many names are very familiar with you? Okay, anything is very familiar with you? I am inaudible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anybody, do you know any names? For example, 3 Paytm. Okay,
So 7 delivery, 9 big basket,
hmm,
25 cash free,
hmm,
42 Flipkart, 40
hmm,
Credit B,
hmm,
47 Express B,
hmm,
54 Car Deco, Some more we can find.
Some, yeah. So based on your accessibility, you aware this much of name. Okay. Now I am showing one more 100. Okay, one more 100. You look. In this, anybody are able to, sir, this word is very familiar to me. I associate, I download the app. For example, 108 is a Zomato. Okay, like that, anything. 144 Swiggy,
131 quicker, sir.
Quicker.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Sir, NetMeds 162, Book My Show
160.
166.
Hmm.
195 Cash Karo.
Oh, Cash Karo. Now I show another 100.
cash free.
Hmm.
245.
293. Yeah, 293. Let's got. Okay. $240 OYO. 249 builders. So these all, okay, these all are is the startups. Okay, now it's a business. Okay, so first if you start your startup, okay, then automatically after a few years, okay, it's a big business. Okay, all people they will tie up with you according based on your service. Okay, so what happened first? Look for the problems. What are the problems is that is surrounding you in your area? Okay, surrounding your people. Okay, first look the problems and find your problems that message with your mind. Find the innovative solutions. Okay, then you can start your startups. Okay, here what that? Why do you start a fail in India? So what is the problem? Marketing problems. If you're not aware how to give the marketing to your products, okay, then only your is a, what that big failure is there. Okay, so you must give your wide publicity about your products. Okay, so based on the marketing problem, 56 percentage of failure is there. Okay, so it's a very big percentage. Okay, so team problems. So based on your partners and tie up with another one person, they are not up to the mark like that. 18 percentage problem is there. The financial problem 16 percentage. Technical problem 6%. Operating problem 2%. Legal problem 2%. So just think it legal problem is a government related to some failure means is a 100 startup is coming means two startups going for failure with the help what that the legal problems. And the two startups for the operational problems. Okay, so running and properly no places like that. Okay, so it is going for failure two places and 6% for the technical problem. Okay, so technology also so many development is there right now. Okay, so very least. Okay, so rest of the 90 percentage problem for in that 15 percentage, 16 percentage for financial problem and 18% for team problem. But now if you give wide publicity, now you look if you transfer any money from GPay, Paytm, immediately they are giving some offer to you. Okay, so they are giving the name continuously. That name, if you look, that this offer is there, that offer is there. Immediately, what happened one day? We are searching. What is this? What is this? What is this? After prolong, okay, that name is very what that very familiar with us. If you want related to that one, immediately we approach that place. Okay, is the marketing. Okay, one of the strategy of the marketing, right? Here you look in the IIC, we are conducting so many programs. Immediately you are also sometimes you say why they are conducting regularly so many programs. Here our thrust area is first quarter already we closed is the inspiration, motivation, ideation. Okay, now we are looking about the validation and the concept development. And the next semester we are planning for the validation and the innovation, business model development, and finally the next semester ending we are looking for the validation and the startup developments. Okay, so students, please tie up with your IIC coordinator of your department and to get close contact, and definitely he will give more input to you. Okay, about startups. Okay, you look these peoples, they are doing some business. Okay, he's a carpenter. Okay, so the agarbattis, and the right side you look so many students innovative projects. Okay, the government funded already, they started the business. Okay, different ideas. Okay, from different states. Okay, here I am giving few examples to you. Okay, so these are some imitation to you. Okay, you can think about like that. Okay, and you go for your startups. Think your locality, what are the problems, your surrounding problems. Okay, and whatever your area problems. Okay, like that, and catch it and try to solve. Okay, if you solve, definitely what happened, you can rectify the problems. So women entrepreneurship is a very big important one. Patience. Okay, so previously whenever my I studied the 80s. Okay, so that time is girls coming out from the home is very rare, difficult. Okay, and after then 90s. Okay, some percentage. Okay, the 10 15%, 20%, or 2020s. Okay, so now you look, so you have the big opportunities. All governments everywhere, they are encouraging for the women's for become as an entrepreneur. Okay, here is very important is passion. Okay, the passion is very important, and you identify the one particular area, and you give your passion towards the particular one. The passion is your energy. Okay, so I'm saying to girls, okay, if you think your one particular problem, give create more ideas about that one, give solution. Okay, so your passion towards that one, definitely you become as a entrepreneur. Okay, so these are my references. Thank you. If you have any doubt, queries, okay, please raise. Otherwise, please note down my number, email ID. Please contact later also. Thank you, Dr. B. Santosh Kumar sir, head of the department, for giving the opportunity to interact with CSC students, okay, to share my views. And thank Mr. Rajesh, IIC coordinator, for giving the opportunity to interact with the CSC students.
Thank you, sir. Thank you once again, sir, for your wonderful session, sir, about enterprise development, and also what research can be done nowadays and what are the problems we are currently facing in our country. So you addressed, I think, every participant understood that this webinar is very useful, sir. Especially you spoke about the society development, and also thanks for giving the information about funds and also how to start startups, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Now, once again, I request the participants, if they possess any query, just they can have. Participants, if you possess any query, please post it.